What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace a broken or snapped shear pin on your snowblower. In my case, for my shear pin type, the only thing I'm going to need is a screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and the shear pin itself. And in some cases you may need a wrench. This is where my shear pin is stored in the back of the snowblower itself. So you're simply going to remove that, take the pin out. That's what it looks like. Some shear pins are the bolt type and they have a head and a nut, so you will need a wrench for each end of those. Depending on what you hit to make the shear pin break, you're going to want to check all the shear pins. In my case I have 4, one for each of these small augers here. So I'm going to check all 4. It's actually the second one from the right that needs to be replaced. Next, make sure there's no parts of the shear pin left inside here. So I usually use a screwdriver, or you can use like a punch to push through there. It'll also index the hole for you. Then you're going to take the new shear pin, slide it through the hole, and put the clip on, in my case. And if you have a bolt and a nut type, you're just going to tighten the nut onto the bolt. But here you go. Let's see how that's on there. Just want to make sure this pin is on there, and it's not going to fall off the next time you start up the machine. And for the nut and bolt type, you just want to snug down the nut onto the bolt and make sure that it's nice and free moving once you start up the machine again. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And also check out all my other snowblower maintenance videos and all my other videos. See you in the next one.